Here are the 5 things you need to be a successful beauty brand. Number 1, a clear differentiator. Understanding how your brand fits into the marketplace is critical. At Nulastin, we lead with real science, which includes our novel, bio-designed, cruelty-free vegan elastin as the base of every formula. From there, we focus on synergistic ingredients that deliver both performance and ethics to our customer. Being clean isn't a differentiator anymore. It's what's expected. What really sets a brand apart is adding elements that create a surprising blend of feel good and wow. Number 2, bet on your core quality. It's a tough market out there. Other brands will always have more money, more celebrity, more power, and more resources. You may be tempted to veer off course by hot new trends or a competitor's highly engaged ads. Success requires a laser focus. You must stay true to your values, integrity, and mission. You won't find any fluff just for the sake of sales, except for maybe this. Number 3, have a vision. Where do you see your brand today, next year, and in the next 5 years? How will you lead? What can you do every day to better yourself, your customer, and the industry? It's rare to be able to be everything all at once. So write out a plan and follow it to a T. Vegan, clean, and sustainable. Number 4, operate with a sense of urgency. Business plans are great, but it's easy to get caught up in planning and thinking and perfecting. Always operate with a sense of urgency. Get the checklist out and start tackling the to-dos. Because someone, somewhere, may have a similar idea or product and they could beat you to the market. You want to be the first mover, and you want to have your IP, your trademarks, patents, and trade secrets set. I saw this happen with a former business venture. The same week I launched, so did another entity. This caught me off guard, and it taught me that no matter how novel an idea is, the odds are high that someone else is thinking of it too. Number 5, hire the right team. Anyone who launches a business can only take it so far on their own, myself included. As your business grows, so do its demands. You can only play CEO, performance marketer, and social media guru for so long. Having the right team in place is crucial for your success. Assess where your brand is now and where you want it to go, then hire accordingly. And don't worry about other people's org charts. Make it your own.